Coming up first from the salty roads of Michigan, Jeremy Hausman, Reckless Driving. One of the most unique trucks on the Monster Truck Throwdown circuit. Actually runs on leaf springs, and when you see him go into a donut, you're gonna see how different it is. Reacts a whole lot different than any other truck on the circuit. Here we go with donuts presented by Budweiser. How about it for Reckless Driving? Coming up next, your runner-up in racing, the team out of Circleville, Ohio. The truck owned by Dan Patrick, driven by Rick Steffens. Coming up next is Samson. Samson's been around a long time, as long as anybody. Big power, as well as innovation in monster trucks. The owner of that truck, his whole team, they build a lot of the parts that you see on almost every truck out here. All right, here we go. Donut time with Samson. How about it for the big Chevy Simpson? What'd you guys think of the Simpson? Let him hear ya! And coming up next, the guy you just met, just graduated high school, Zach Garner in Wildside. '41 Willys, one of the coolest looking trucks on the circuit. And it performs just as well as any. Here we go with the Wildside. What do you think of Zach Garner and Wildside? Gonna have to consult with our judges and see who they like so far. What do you guys think? Are we done, or do you want one more? The next guy coming up was our 2018 Donut of the Year champion. Our next truck runs what we call a locker in the front and the rear end. It allows him to spin that thing like you would not believe. And way more often than not, he comes away with our donut contest win. That's why he's going last. Who's ready to see Jamie Garner in Overboard? Big block Chevy Power about ready to hit the track. Put those flags up, let them see ya! When he comes by you, get out of your seat and make some noise. He wants to see who's ready for the donut contest. Ladies and gentlemen, how about it for Jamie Garner and Overboard? All right, it's too close to call. You guys are going to have to help us pick a winner. Who thought the winner was that guy with his hands raised? Jamie Garner and Overboard. And who thinks your winner was Rick Steffens and Samson? How about it one more time? Samson! What about Overboard? Well, looks like your winner, Jamie Garner and Overboard, 3 for 3. Gonna go out and have a word with Jamie. I'm making you do a lot of walking, but that's just because you're winning everything.
Well, that's a good thing. That's the whole idea, to come out here and win everything. Can you remember in Benson? What did I win? Was it Big Air, and what was the other thing? You know, I can't remember.
I think it was donuts.
Yeah, donuts. Yeah. Me and my boy right here, we love eating donuts, and I love doing donuts.
I don't know which I like more, watching donuts or eating donuts. You know, tell us a little bit for a second, how cool is it not only traveling with your family, but now you got your boy Zach racing with you?
You know, I've traveled up and down the world. We've been from California. We've been all the way into Ontario, Canada, doing shows. This year I've been from San Diego to Miami, Florida. Him graduating means more to me than the world, because now he can go on the road with me. I've got my wife, my 4-year-old daughter that's been traveling up and down the road every weekend. Now I can take him. Next year he can start rocking this truck out right along with me and Cole.
Now, you were going to say your 4-year-old daughter, Maddie, I think I heard her earlier say, "Truck Daddy."
You know, we did a Orlando show, and they gave her a gravedigger. And she was out there tearing the track up, so we got problems. She's a-coming.
All right, so when you said she's a-coming, we also got a little bit more coming up for these fans. Tell us what's coming up next.
You know, the best thing in the world, freestyle. That's what all of us, every single one of us back here, we all love freestyle. My son's truck's hurt a little bit. He's really wanting to rock it out. He's going to have to tame it down a little bit. He's a little bummed out, but he's still going to give you the show you guys deserve. We're all going to rock it out. We're going to see if we can kill that bus down there, that's for sure.
So you guys, you're going to kill the bus or are you going to jump over it?
My idea is to kill it. Then I'm going to jump it too.
All right, what do you guys think? You want to see him kill that school bus? Now, for the third time tonight, I got a trophy for you. And I got some free stuff for the fans.
See, listen to them. They even want to see the bus killed. Remember that thing we talked about a couple years ago, Rap Attack? What do you think?
I don't know. It's a pretty big school bus just driving the side of it.
Could be interesting. You never know. Could even backflip off of it, I wonder.
I wonder. You guys want some free stuff or what?
Bobby, jump up and down!
You know, as much walking as those two fat boys have to do, you guys really got to get rowdy for us. Come on.